All right, y'all. So we at Daytona. I am here, parked in the truck, and guess where I'm parked at? Crazy, right? Crazy. So you got my tires. They all messed up and everything. That's cool. They look nice, kinda. And yeah, man. I broke into Daytona.
Depot on the beat.
All right, y'all. So really, it all started with Daytona Truck Meet having an issue with my premium ticket purchase packet, whatever you want to call it, right? So basically, I ordered premium ticket package, whatever it is. I'm not gonna say that again, but I ordered the premium. You feel me? And they did not send me my packet. Now, you know, after multiple emails and IG, DMs, blah, 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 whatever, y'all customer service is trash, bro. The truck meet, it's nice, it's cool. Y'all customer service, straight up. Except for a good guy named, I'm gonna say Joe. Joe knows who I'm talking about. Joe is amazing. Joe saw where I was coming from, and Joe said, you know what? Let me help you out, bro. I'm gonna give you blase, blase, blase. So I went from premium to booth truck. Yeah, bro, booth truck. Now let me explain. Premium, you're able to park your truck in a certain place, basically on this grass, like way out. You're still not in the show. You're just kind of closer to the show. Standard, you're pretty much parked way outside of the show. Like you're not even coming inside of the speedway. VIP, you get to park in the actual show, like where all the booths is, where everybody's walking and looking at stuff. You get to park there, right? Booth. Not only do you get to park in the show, you get to park at the booths, bruh. And today, I am going to attempt to park at Versatile, bro. So he gave me a booth ticket, and I'm basically able to ride up in here, and you know, no questions asked. And from there, I'm pretty much just gonna, you know what? It's better I show y'all than to tell y'all. Let's take the truck. Me and La Coca going into the speedway, bro. Daytona 500, you dig? Let's